guys, it's currently February 3rd, 2024 and I'm going out with my friends. We're gonna check out, I think it's an expo, like a Toronto stationery exhibition, I believe. I'm not too sure. There's like 30 to 60 local artists that gonna showcase their art, and I'm into journaling these days. I've been journaling nonstop and I kind of want to check out stickers, washi tapes, those stuff that makes my journal better. But I'm very excited. Like, I've been waiting for this event since like last month and I'll bring you guys along. Hi. Oh, my friend is calling.
She's so nice.
I know. The weather is so nice today. By the way, guys, we just saw the line. Oh. The line is kind of bad.
Long. Like a crowd at the front. I'm not sure if it's allowed.
I think it's that one because like I was stalking their IG and it was like they were showing that there's like a line. We're still on the line. It's very cool. It's very cool. She's embarrassed.
I am. I'm not used to this.
We've been lining up for what? How long? Like 30 minutes, 40 minutes outside.
It feels like 2 hours.
I know. I don't know how Toronto people likes to line up. I feel like they always line up everywhere. Can you see it? I cannot. Oh my god. Please. Oh, sorry. We're in. Oh, we're in. Thank you. Get this. Oh my god. Sorry. I like that one though. We finished.
The damage.
The damage. Yo, I'm so exhausted.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
My eyes feel heavy.
We're gonna go eat somewhere. I'm gonna find a place to eat. We gotta go back to downtown because we're. Do you know where we are?
No, I have no idea.
I have no idea where we are. It's like very like outskirt of Toronto, I think. Gonna take a picture now. We're gonna take a picture. What is this? This one's cute. Do you like this cat or this cat? This cat. This or this? Okay. I'm gonna choose the original and then print. We're back in my place and we're gonna do a haul. This bag, is this mine? So this is my bag and Frisa's bag. So I got the pen loop for my journal. One for me, one for the boyfriend. She's so shy doing this. I'm like, you gotta do it, you know? I bought so much. Like, I think I bought more than you.
Yeah, you bought a lot of
I
stickers.
bought so much stickers. We went to the same place together.
Oh, this
Yeah. She got a very cute, like, artwork. And I got the stickers.
Oh, you got
I got the postcard as well.
the next thing was washi tape. Cat washi tape.
Cat washi tape. So this is the actual artist that I stalk before I come, and I wanted to get her art. Young Love. This is so cute. I want to stick this to the like front of my journal, and she have a very cute washi tape. And then Risa's done. I'm still
done.
going. I got the sticker sheet. This is New Jeans. So cute. I think this artist is popular, and like this one. This one is funny. It's like just a girl. I'm just a girl. Oh, this is the last one. Oh, actually no. I found this artist. It's like different heart emoji, and I just like it. It looks so abstract. I love it. And I got stickers. This one. This frog says peace was never an option. Anyway, we're gonna chill now. We're gonna chill. That's it. Bye, Riza. Thank you for saying hi on my vlogs. Hey guys, so it's currently way too past midnight. I cannot sleep. I tried to sleep from a couple hours ago. Cannot. I have something on my mind that I want to do, and I'm the type that if I have something that I want to do, I need to do it right away, or I just be restless and I cannot sleep at all. And this was happening for me right now. So I am restless because I am thinking of a lot of ideas for Josh, my boyfriend's Valentine's Day gift. So this year I'm planning on making a scrapbook from him. I figured out that he really likes the handmade and like written stuff, so I decided to be creative, and I'm so into journaling these days, so I wanna vlog like the process of me making this whole Valentine's Day gift. So I'm gonna show you all the supplies. Earlier today I went for like supply shopping, and I'm gonna use like this, I forgot the name, like a scrapbook thingy from Muji. I like that it's not a lot of pages, so I won't be pressured to fill everything in, but still have a good amount that I can fill. And I also went to Dollarama because at first I just needed a pencil sharpener, but I came across a lot of like Valentine's Day inspired stickers, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I got this heart foam sticker. Cute. I also got this like heart. It's also puffy. And I also got a sketchbook because this paper is not white, and I'm afraid if I drew something in here, it won't look as good as it looks in the white papers. And I also got the construction paper because I was thinking of using this as like a background if I want to have like a different color than this one. So on my Pinterest, I have a Valentine's Day scrapbook ideas like pinned. So the first process that I'm gonna do is actually to print out some photos and some maps, because the first page that I know for sure that I want to do is where it all started, and it will have like a screenshot of the map where did we met. Yay, I finally finished it. So I traced I traced like the Google map, and this is how the map of the area, I'm not gonna tell you where we met, but it looks like this from the Google map. So I just traced it down like street by street, and it looks like this. The end result, guys. Ah, it's so adorable, and it's like very aesthetic. I'm really proud of how this turns out. It looks so cute. Look at that. Look at this. Just in case if somebody out there is curious, how did I able to make like this map? with everything, I'm gonna screen record my iPad and show you how I do it. I actually did it in GoodNotes. People use Procreate, but I don't have the app. I already have GoodNotes and I don't want to pay for another app, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's actually fairly easy, so I'm gonna show you. So basically, you make like a new page, and then you can go to like add page and choose the blank one. Like, so choose the blank one, and then you'll have like a just a clear whiteboard, and then you go. I'm just gonna show you like a random place that I choose. This one I just like capture like a random sites. Just say you met in Queen's Park and you want to highlight the area, so I choose the, I believe it's a shape button, and then I make like a circle, and then I just go and zoomed in to it. I just adjust the sizing, and then I go back to the shape, and then you can just like line wherever the area is. The good thing with the shape tool, let's say you make a crooked line, they're gonna make like a straight line. So you just gotta be like a bit more careful while doing it, like more patient, and then just kind of trace it. Like if you see like that earlier, it have a little bit of curve, so you're just gonna make it two different way, like that, and then like this, and yeah, then you can just like make another one and then fill in stuff and then make a line, stuff like that. So yeah, that's like a brief tutorial, but that's basically it, and you just need to like trace it all the way. So you kind of need a bit of patience to do this. So I'm gonna continue with the other place, and I'm gonna like update you here and there. I'm not gonna bring you to all the process, because other than this, it's more like me drawing, cutting page and stuff like that. Only this one, it requires kind of tutorial. Other than that, it's just a lot of like photo and paper. Okay guys, so it's actually 6:54, so I've been scrapbooking for like 3 hours already, and I think it's time for me to actually sleep, because I gotta wake up for my 9 to 5 job. So I'm gonna sleep now and wake up in 3 hours. Happy Valentine's Day! We're gonna go to a restaurant that Josh had booked. I don't know yet where. Yeah, I cannot wait to give your gift.
Take a picture of you. I'm kind of pissed because my camera is not showing like how pretty you are.
Love you. Can you have your hands like open? Like that, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Dude, that's actually cool.
So I literally told my friend to join me and work in the cafe, and he ended up not liking the cafe, so he gonna pick me up and we're gonna go to another cafe to work more.